Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Kane's Auto in Manchester, New Hampshire, we're reviewing the 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat Power Stroke. Yes, they did make these with a diesel option. You never see them. I've been wanting to review one for quite a long time now, mainly because I've driven, of course, the Silverado diesel, 1500 diesel, the Ram Eco diesel. So now, after driving this, I've driven every small truck diesel, except for the Titan. Well, I should say full-size, light-duty truck. Not sure if it's detailed under the hood, but we'll still take a look and see. Maybe because you're never gonna see one of these out there. Look at that. What on earth is that? That's pretty cool. Sweet. All right. Sunroof. Love those. Sliding visors. All right, let's go for a drive. We're in sport drive mode. Oh man, what a truck. Like I said, you never see these. I mean, this is the first time I've ever seen one in person. That's how rare these are. You know, the weird thing is, people just didn't buy them. Now, these light-duty diesels are all over the place. Look at, you can even get this light-duty, the GM light-duty Duramax in the Tahoe and Suburban. It's crazy. Actually, you can even get it in the Escalade. Diesels are coming back, at least I don't know for how long, with everything having to switch to electric by 2030. But Ford has now discontinued this, just the demand wasn't there. But that led to these becoming probably the rarest variant of F-150 out there. I mean, I see more Lightnings than I do these. The good Lightning. Although I haven't driven the new Lightning, so I'll hold that opinion to the side for now. Now with these diesels, it's not about power, it's about torque. Diesel-powered engines just provide more torque, plain and simple. So it's not about speed, it's about pulling power. Made it with that 10-speed. Oh, that's actually really, really good. It keeps it in the power band constantly. Takes a second for that turbo to spool up, but once it does, ooh boy, you got some torque under your right foot. You know, honestly, it's almost like the 10-speed was made for this motor, because, I mean, it is perfect. It's almost like a CVT. It just keeps revving right to its power band, and it's perfect. It works great. Also, the amount of looks I get while wearing this camera is hysterical. Red line here on the gauge is 4,600 RPM. I have never seen it rev that high. It shifts under 4,000, probably like 3,500. Diesel power is all down low. There's really no point to rev it out high except for engine braking, which is probably why the red line's so high. Whoa, okay, there's that torque. Let's do some engine braking, see how high it lets it rev. At 3,500 is where it's at. So if you use manual mode, it will let you rev out, but there's no point to it. Look it, I'm under 2,000 RPM. I'm gonna floor it and just watch the torque. Oh, it comes in waves, man. 2,500 RPM. Yeah, that's where it's at. So let me go into fourth. Whoa, that's a lot of torque. Oh, what a truck. This is pretty cool. I really like this. It's a shame they don't make it anymore, because I mean, they discontinue it middle of next year, and it was kind of like nobody talked about it. It was just kind of a subtle push away. But I think a lot of people in the new generation F-150 would go for the diesel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.